When I first went to therapy, I wasn't being honest. I wasn't being truthful until one day I said, I need you to be more direct with me because I'm just telling you what I want and I'm getting away with it. For my clients, I'll go, you know what? I know this space and here's the challenge that I face to get out of it. It's empathy building. Maybe somebody will, for the first time, talk about when they were seriously abused. Someone will talk for the 10th time about the fact that they are really depressed. And for the first time, somebody goes, tell me more. You can say that, and I'm going to hold that space. I'm not going to belittle you. I'm not going to shame you. I hate to say I told you so, but this is going to get hard. I'm a big believer in the archetype of the fool. The fool was the only person who was allowed to mock the king. And in doing so, the king becomes more human. I say to clients sometimes, this is a ridiculous thing that we're doing. Can we acknowledge that? Let's be real together. What I say is there will be a very clear implementation phase of it. But if you don't do it, this will not benefit you in the way that we want it to. This is like you have homework this week to go and speak to your partner about this difficult thing. We all need validation. We need to be encouraged.